The world of reality television has always thrived on shocking revelations, heated drama, and eyebrow-raising controversies, and the TLC hit series 1000 LB Sisters has certainly given audiences plenty to talk about over the years. Now, one of the show's most beloved yet polarizing stars, Amy Slayton, has once again found herself under intense public scrutiny after a new update about her children left fans utterly disgusted. The controversy is making headlines across entertainment media and fueling an ongoing debate about whether Amy is managing her life as a reality star, single mom, and public figure in a way that benefits or potentially harms her young boys. Amy Slayton, who first rose to fame alongside her sister Tammy Slayton when 1000 LB Sisters premiered in 2020, has long been both celebrated and criticized by viewers. Fans have followed her weight loss journey, her relationship struggles, her marriage and eventual divorce from Michael Halterman, and her transition into motherhood with the birth of her two sons, Gage and Glenn. While many viewers have applauded Amy for her efforts to turn her life around, not everyone has been impressed by the way she handles her responsibilities, especially when it comes to parenting. This week, an explosive social media update has reignited long-standing concerns and prompted harsh backlash, with some fans labeling Amy's behavior so disgusting that it left them questioning her fitness as a mother. The uproar began when Amy shared a candid behind-the-scenes update that was supposed to showcase her life as a busy mom, balancing household duties and caring for her energetic boys. However, instead of receiving support or sympathy, her post triggered an avalanche of criticism. According to multiple reports and fan commentary, the issue stemmed from what many perceived as shockingly unhygienic behavior in her home environment. Some fans claimed the images and clips revealed dirty surroundings, cluttered living spaces, and questionable practices involving the children's care. For example, one detail that instantly became a talking point was the apparent lack of proper cleanliness in the kitchen area where the kids were seen eating. Fans alleged that crumbs, food spills, and even sticky surfaces were left unattended, creating an environment they considered unsanitary. One particularly harsh comment read, "I can't believe she lets her kids eat like that. It's so disgusting and sad. Those boys deserve better." Others chimed in with similar sentiments, accusing Amy of neglecting basic household hygiene despite knowing she's under constant public scrutiny. Several viewers even went as far as to say they were worried about the children's health and well-being, suggesting that being raised in such conditions could pose long-term consequences. Criticism intensified as the post gained traction, with online forums and fan pages lighting up with heated debate. On platforms like Reddit, Facebook fan groups, and TikTok reaction accounts, the footage was dissected frame by frame, with users pointing out everything from sticky high chairs to stained floors. Some defended Amy by reminding others that she is a single mom juggling two toddlers, filming obligate icons, and the fallout of a messy divorce. They argued that no parent is perfect and that moments of messiness are a natural part of raising young kids. However, the opposing side insisted that while occasional mess is normal, what was shown in Amy's update crossed the line into outright neglect. For longtime fans of the show, the controversy struck a nerve because it tapped into a recurring theme in Amy's storyline, her struggle to prove herself as a capable adult. On 1000 LB Sisters, Amy has often faced doubts from both her own family and viewers about whether she can manage the responsibilities of marriage, motherhood, and weight loss all at once. Her decision to have children was a major plot point on the series, with even doctors warning her about potential complications due to her health and lifestyle. Despite those warnings, Amy pursued her dream of motherhood and has since expressed pride in raising her boys. Yet, this latest scandal risks overshadowing her progress, as critics argue she is failing to provide a clean and safe environment for her kids. Entertainment commentators have noted that this isn't the first time Amy has been slammed for her parenting. In the past, eagle-eyed fans have pointed out moments on the show where her housekeeping appeared questionable or her children were left in situations that seemed less than ideal. While many of these instances could be attributed to editing choices designed to create drama, this most recent update was posted directly by Amy herself, making it harder for her to deflect responsibility. Social media users quickly latched onto this fact, pointing out that she effectively handed her critics ammunition by uploading content that could so easily be interpreted negatively. Adding to the tension, Tammy Slaton, Amy's sister and co-star, has reportedly been making tremendous progress in her own life, losing a significant amount of weight, undergoing surgery, and presenting herself with newfound confidence on TikTok. This stark contrast between Tammy's current upward trajectory and Amy's messy scandal has only fueled more discussion, with some fans speculating that Amy is struggling to keep up with the changing narrative of the show. Where Tammy is being praised for her transformation and resilience, Amy is being criticized for what many see as avoidable mistakes. Insiders close to the production of 1000 LB Sisters have hinted that producers may address this controversy in the upcoming season. TLC has long relied on the authenticity of the Slaton sisters' lives to keep viewer hooked, and incorporating real-world backlash into the storyline could generate even more buzz for the series. However, critics worry that airing such content could further humiliate Amy and negatively impact her children, who are still too young to understand the media circus surrounding their family. From a broader perspective, the debate about Amy's parenting highlights the challenges faced by reality stars who choose to share their personal lives online. Unlike traditional celebrities who can maintain some degree of privacy, reality TV personalities often blur the lines between entertainment and real life. Amy's choice to showcase her children on social media, combined with the raw and unfiltered nature of her content, means that every detail is open to public scrutiny. What might have been intended as a relatable moment of messy parenting has instead become a scandalous talking point that could damage her reputation. Despite the criticism, Amy still has her loyal supporters. Many fans have rallied around her, urging others to show compassion and remember that raising 2 toddlers alone is an exhausting job. Supporters argue that the backlash has gone too far and that online trolls are using minor imperfections to paint an unfair picture of her parenting. Some have even suggested that the criticism is rooted in double standards, noting that fathers are rarely scrutinized as harshly for similar behavior. They also point out that Amy has been transparent about her struggles, including financial difficulties and the emotional toll of divorce, and that expecting perfection from her is unrealistic. At the heart of the controversy lies a deeper question: how much responsibility do reality stars have to PR? Present an ideal image, and where should the line be drawn between relatable imperfection and genuine cause for concern? For Amy Slaton, this latest scandal has become a pivotal moment in her journey, forcing her to confront both the pressures of public life and the responsibilities of motherhood. Whether she chooses to address the criticism head-on, make changes to her parenting style, or simply ignore the noise remains to be seen. As the dust continues to settle, one thing is clear: Amy Slaton's life remains as captivating, messy, and controversial as ever. The backlash over her alleged unhygienic behavior has sparked passionate conversations among fans and critics alike, proving once again why 1000 LB Sisters remains one of the most talked about shows on television. For better or worse, Amy's every move is under the microscope, and as long as she continues to share her journey with the world, the debate surrounding her choices will only grow louder. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.